We'll create what's known as the lotus mudra with our hands. We'll hold this at level of the heart. So we hold this mudra so that we're looking at the tip of the nose with the eyes. So we barely open the eyes and we slide them down. The spine is lengthened, shoulders relaxed. And as you look down the tip of the nose, let the eyes barely open, and you'll see your hands. It'll be very hazy and blurry, but you will see your hands if your eyes are in the correct position. And then lock your eyes there. What this does is it locks your optical nerve, and so your mind tends to be focused. Because if your eyes are looking all over the place, that's where your mind is going. So if you can lock your eyes here, down. We want to go down, right? So it's grounding us. And we have our hands like this. So set yourself there. The chest is lifted and you're looking down. So the breath pattern is very specific. We're going to be breathing in through the lips, puckered, like we're drinking in through a straw, kissing the breath. We're going to inhale deeply through the puckered lips. And then we're going to hold the breath for one cycle of mentally vibrating sa, ta, na, ma. And I'm doing it like a wheel, the wheel of infinity. It's the wheel of time, which is infinite. It's infinite. So we're doing this. Hold, sa, ta, na, ma. Now we're going to exhale out through the nose in 4 succinct, distinct strokes, while we're continuing to mentally vibrate sa, ta, na, ma. And then we hold the breath out at the bottom of that exhale. We hold the breath out and we mentally vibrate WAHE GURU. So sa, ta, na, ma. These are the 5 seed sounds, the bij mantras of the creative force of the universe. This is the sounds that are making the universe, that are creating the universe. Sa, ta, na, ma. And in our perspective, we translate this as birth, life, death, and rebirth. So it's the cycle of infinity. Sa, ta, na, ma. So as we inhale through the puckered lips, we're going to hold the breath while we mentally vibrate that mantra, sa, ta, na, ma. And then we'll breathe out in 4 strokes through the nose. Holding the breath out and vibrate WAHE GURU. WAHE GURU. WAHE GURU. WAHE GURU is an amplification sound. It amplifies your infinite nature and your awareness of your infinite nature 1,000 times each time that you vibrate WAHE GURU. There's no real exact transliteration of it. It's basically wow, the ecstasy of connecting into bringing myself out of the darkness into the light. So when we start this practice, we're just going to be silent and still, and we're listening to the breath, and we're also mentally vibrating and internally listening to those sounds of sa, ta, na, ma, and then WAHE GURU. All right, let's try it.